In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to close a JIRA issue. If you're managing work in JIRA, closing an issue is one of the final steps in the workflow, and it helps keep your board clean, accurate, and up to date. When an issue is finished, moving it to the correct final status makes it clear to everyone on the team that no further action is needed. To close a JIRA issue, start by opening your project board and locating the issue you want to finish. You'll typically see issues arranged in columns that reflect their current status, such as to do, in progress, and done. Depending on how your board is configured, the final column may be called done, or it may be labeled close or closed. Once you've found the issue, simply click on it, hold, and drag it across the board into the done status or the closed status. Then drop it into that final column. That action updates the issue's workflow status and marks it as completed. This drag and drop method is the quickest and easiest way to close an issue on a JIRA board, especially if you're working visually and managing several tasks at once. It's also helpful because you can immediately confirm that the issue has moved successfully by checking that it now appears in the final column. If the issue doesn't move right away, take a moment to make sure you're dropping it into the correct status column. In some JIRA setups, permissions or workflow rules may affect whether an issue can be moved directly, so it's important to use the status that your board allows for completed work. A good habit before closing any issue is to quickly confirm that the task is actually finished, and that any required updates, comments, or completion details have already been added. That way, when the issue is moved to done or closed, the record is complete and useful for anyone reviewing it later. And that's it. To close a JIRA issue, all you need to do is drag and drop the issue into the done status or closed status on your board. It's a simple action, but it plays an important role in keeping your project organized and making progress easy to track. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.